According to data provided by the U.S. Department of Energy, the average price per gallon of regular gasoline in the U.S. from September 1st, 2014 to December 1st, 2014, so that's just a few months, is modeled by the function f defined below, right here. Okay, and where f of x is the average price per gallon, that's our unit, and price per gallon x months after September 1st. So we can imagine that September 1st, 2014 as x equals 0. And if you have like October 1st, that would be like x equals 1, x equals 2, and once we get December 1st, okay, this is just x equals 3. So the constant 2.74 in this function estimates which of the following. Okay, so if you have dollar per gallon, the 2.74 should also have the unit of dollar per gallon. They didn't really ask for this, but as a practice, let's work on this. 0.19 and x minus 3. But we know that x is the number of months after since September 1st. So x as a month. Okay, we got the month. Then this 0.9 is dollar per month. So it's like a decrease of the gasoline rate per month. Okay, so we're going to just focus on the 2.74 here. The constant 2.74 being the y-intercept in the function, estimate which of the following. So this is easiest to imagine when x equals 3, that makes the entire expression here equals 0. So just think about x equals 3 and how that translates to your f of x, the average price per gallon of regular gasoline. So what does 2.74? Let's look at the answer choices. A, the average monthly decrease in the price per gallon, that will be a 0.19, so A is wrong. B, the difference in the average price per gallon from September 1st, 2014 to December 1st, 2014. Okay, so that would be when you have x equals 3 here. No, I'm sorry, when you have x equals 0, and then when you have 2.74, the difference would answer B here, but this doesn't really answer 2.74. Again, 2.74 becomes important after 3 months for the price. So the average price per gallon on September 1st, 2014, this is tempting because a lot of you might think, oh, this is a y-intercept. That's like when it's beginning. Careful, we have x minus 3 here. In fact, if you put 0 here, when x equals 0, don't forget there is minus 3. That makes it much higher value. It's not going to be 2.74. So really be careful on that. It's this one. Why is December 1st? Because I just showed you guys that December 1st is x equals 3. When you put x equals 3, this entire expression goes to 0, and therefore that leaves you with 2.74, and hence the answer is D. Tricky one.